Now this is what I'm talking about. All the deliciousness of a taco in one casserole dish. Delicious. I really wanted tacos for supper, but I didn't really want the mess, so I've decided to do it different. Instead of using ground beef, I'm using ground turkey, and I added a small jalapeno that I seeded and deveined because I love the taste of jalapeno, but I don't like all the spice, just a little bit of spice. Now you can use any kind of meat you want. I just wanted to kind of slim down the version of this taco. So I'm just going to saute it until it's all cooked. And then I'll be back to add the taco seasoning. I forgot to add that I did use gloves to cut up this jalapeno. And if you are going to use jalapeno in your taco, yeah, please use your gloves, because if you touch your eyes or your mouth, you are not going to be a happy person. Okay, so I'm just adding a package of mild taco seasoning in here. I decided not to make my own because I'm being kind of lazy today, so oops. So I will just use the package. And the water that goes with the seasoning, 3 cups water, or 3/4 cup water, sorry. And give it a stir. And we'll just let this thicken up a little bit. And then we'll go on to the next phase of this taco. Now I just have to shred some cheese. I said I wanted to lighten up this taco version using turkey, but I'm gonna put a bunch of cheese on now, so that really doesn't make sense. You will start with a spray. I'm just using a small casserole dish because I've only got 1 pound of ground meat. So I'm gonna just try to do a couple layers, and my big casserole dish I'd have to have 2 pounds. So we will do some meat first. I was gonna start with a tortilla on the bottom, but I kind of don't want it mushy. So we just start with a bit of meat on the bottom. You know, I should have used 2 pounds because it would actually have been better for the meal, but that's okay. Next time I will. That. And I'm going to add some cooked rice. Some salsa. Spread that around pretty good. Now you can put as much of these ingredients as you want. I'm just layering it, so I don't want to put a whole lot. And some cheese. Actually, yeah, I'll put cheese. I'm just kind of winging it here. Most of my ideas come from the internet, but I change them all the time. Here's some cheese. Now I'm gonna add a tortilla. I'll cut the half off. Or a quarter of it off, sorry. There we go. Perfect. I'll start over again with the meat. Actually, I think I'm only going to make 2 layers. I'll add the rest of the meat to this one. Like I said, if I had more meat, then I would make more layers. But this will be good for my husband and I. And I'm looking forward to not actually picking it up with my fingers and having it all over my face and clothes. Okay, let's add some more rice. We're big rice eaters in this family. If you're on a low-calorie diet, or if you're doing Weight Watchers, then this is actually a pretty good recipe, minus all the cheese. Because your meat is 0 points. And your rice is, I think it's 5 points for a cup. And your salsa, I don't think I even tracked my salsa. Your cheese is crazy for points. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. And then when I bring it back out, I will finish it up. All right, looks pretty good. Let's add some garnish. Put my glove back on. Add a little bit more jalapeno for garnish. I actually froze my jalapenos because I bought a big container. And I wasn't going to use them all at the same time, and it worked out pretty good. All right. I'll add some tomatoes. Just a couple cherry tomatoes. Some medium taco sauce. And some fat-free yogurt, because I'm not using sour cream. And that's it, guys. That is our non-messy taco. And next time I think I will do a bigger dish and I'll add another tortilla. But as far as this dish goes, it looks amazing and it smells amazing. So we're just gonna call her good. Now this is what I'm talking about. All the deliciousness of a taco in one casserole dish. Delicious.